Since my first flame job in 1977, I've been doing custom paint on cars for nearly 50 years. I know how to get her done and do it right. Now I've had the grand idea to give away a show car paint job to some lucky, hard-working contestant out there in YouTube land. It's going to take till early summer to get this contest done, because I'm not just giving it away for nothing. You're going to have to work for it. The first thing you want to do is make your way to my home screen. It looks like this here. Then tap the Shorts tab to bring up the Shorts roll. By default, it comes up with the newest videos first. Then tap the Popular button to bring up the view of the most popular shorts first. Then scroll down to these two videos, which are the 10th and 11th video on the list currently. Click on my 10th most popular video, which is the gray car, and get ready to follow these next instructions to the letter. First things first, make the like thingy blue. Next, share it with someone, I don't care who. Lastly, posting a comment is what you got to do. Once you're there, add a comment, like so. Then every day for 9 days, add a reply, like so. The replies will show that they were posted on different days. Whoever wins, there's something you should know, and that's that your car is going to be a YouTube star. It'll probably up the value of the car. This Cutlass is the one I did in the summer, and it's had over 13 million views, so you can expect your car to be pretty popular. The contest games will be ready by March 1st, when I'll tell you all the rules and regulations and so forth. And as always, please touch my like thingy and share my shizzle and subscribe, damn it!